So guys, Keandra and I, we just got back from the airport. We just got into Atlanta, and while we were gone, we received an email from FedEx that showed a picture of some packages that were delivered, and the packages looked like the packages that were sent to us back in October, at the end of October. And so I was like, Keandra, I think we got some more L'Occitane, because I'm still not familiar with their shipper. So when we got home, we saw the boxes and we got more L'Occitane. These are big boxes. Oh. These are the boxes. I know you can't really see them all that well, but yes, this is the box. It's huge again. So I'm excited to see what's in it. So let's open it up and see what they sent. And then also, we still owe you guys a showing of the Advent calendar. So we weren't home yesterday and we just got here today. So I'm gonna throw in my stories. I'm gonna put in my stories yesterday's Advent item and then today's. So I only have a short moment to be able to do that, to count in my mind for today and yesterday. So I'm gonna do that, and I think Keandra's gonna do that as well. And then of course we'll put them in our shorts as well, so that you guys can view as well, for those of you who are not following us on our Instagram as well. So here is another card. I love their presentation. It's so great. So let's get to this one first. Ooh, I love that.
Oh, hand lotions.
Yes. I just bought up a bunch of these from Bath and Body Works, but I do think I'm gonna switch over to the L'Occitane brand.
Because they're just as good.
Yeah, no, these are better. I love that. So you get 2, 4, 6 of these in here. So that's really cool. Excited about that.
Oh, nice. What's this?
I don't know. Oh, is this an ornament? Oh, cute.
Yeah.
So it's like a tree ornament, and then you can open it, but I'm going to go ahead and... Oh, well, it has the stuff on the back. So it looks like a soap, hand cream, and I'm not quite sure what this is. I'm not sure if this is a lotion or like another cream soap or anything, but this is that. So cute.
Oh, nice. What's that? Oh, is that more of
Powerful Immortal Essential Oil
Ooh.
meets
Oh my
nourishing
gosh.
shea butter for a more youthful looking skin.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh! And we'll probably put this in like our new items for the winter favorites, something like that, because we do have a favorites coming up, and I know these are new to us.
We're gonna try them out.
Yeah, we'll try them out. Oh, cute! I love their boxes. These are so cute. So let's see if we can open this one up.
Okay.
So, oh wow. Okay, so let's see what's in here. More of a hand cream. Okay. Oh, a large soap.
Nice.
Okay, that smells really good. Oh, the body cream. Okay, so this right here is a body cream. So this is that.
Hand cream.
Hand cream. So this is like for your purse. Love that. I love that.
Anything else in that box? Like we need anything else.
Okay, right.
So cool.
So yeah, no, nothing else. Look, this is all. No, this is amazing. Like, let me put this back in here. Y'all, I'm so excited. Keandra and I, we love smelling good. We love
being moisturized, being soft.
So like, these are right up our alley.
Yeah.
Yay, thank you, L'Occitane. Oh my goodness. That's so exciting. So cute.
Hey y'all. So I just got out of the shower. Feels really good. Been traveling for a couple of hours on a flight and all of that. And yeah, needed to get my good shower in. And of course, after a good shower, I was going to put on some type of lotion. I hate being ashy, y'all. This is the Neck Care Serum and Cream. And I'm going to use this tonight for my my skincare routine. I'm going to use that. It says to use it morning and evening. Okay, smoothing upwards from neck to jawline. Formulated for the neck. Do not apply on face. Okay, So I'm going to use this. It says clinically tested, firmness increased by 42%, skin is 21% more elastic to the touch, skin appears 13% more nourished. Okay, especially being that I am 40, these are things that I, pay attention to now as it relates to my skincare routine. It's not necessarily just about like acne treatment. It's not about me necessarily dealing with hyperpigmentation only. Like, there are more things to, deal with now. It's not a bad thing. It just is what it is. It's just knowing how to better care for yourself, what that looks like, what products, you should be using, and all of that. Like, it is what it is, and I don't mind. I am using some of the products that we just received tonight from L'Occitane. This is the body care. It's the body balm. Okay, this is the body balm. This is what the jar looks like. I love packaging, y'all. It's really cute. It's simple, but still cute. I love the gold top and the glass jar. Very nice and light. I love how L'Occitane, how their scents are not overpowering. So yeah. Okay, and this is like the texture. I don't know if that's blurred or not, y'all. So yeah, that's the texture. I love how the products feel, especially coming out of the shower. Oh my goodness, it just makes your skin feel so good. So I just bought this this mitt from Target, and you just put your hand in it. It just comes with like one, and you put your hand in the mitt, and of course you like lightly scrub off dead skin and all of that. And getting out of the shower after doing that kind of stuff, and then putting on your lotions, yo, that's some of the best sleep. Like, some of the best sleep. A shower and then being really moisturized and exfoliating. I don't know, it's just something about exfoliating in the shower and getting out and putting on lotion just really makes your sleep really good. Especially getting in like some good clean sheets. Yes. Yeah, I love that. Feels good. Feels really good. Get them elbows to y'all. So I'm gonna put these things on my dresser. I'm gonna do some skincare, and then I'm gonna do some editing, and then I'm gonna head to bed. Cause y'all, I am tired, okay? Very tired. So guys, here I'm just starting with the intro. So I bring the intro that was created. Just created it on Canva. Actually, YouTube suggests that you do like just a little simple something. And I'm showing you guys this because we were talking about it on our live, and we've been talking about like the things that we do as it relates to our YouTube. And some of you have asked questions concerning YouTube and stated how, some of the things that you've seen on YouTube kind of like to tour you away from it or turn you away from it. And I just want to show you guys how easy this stuff really is. And I know that it may take some time getting to like understand it, but like the reason why it's so easy for me is because I've been doing it over and over and over again. So yeah, so I just brought the intro that I created. I brought it from my downloads here. It's just basically where it stays all the time, or in my media area. But mostly I'm gonna always choose to get it from my downloads. So I have that here, just put it here, and I work in iMovie. I may move to something else later on. I'm not sure. I don't know. Like right now, all we need is like a basic something to edit on. So yeah, so just use iMovie because it's what basically everybody has. Or InShot. You can do this on your phone. I think the first two vlogs that we did, I just did them on InShot on my phone. So yeah, so then now I go back to my downloads and I choose the intro music. I just drag it down into my my iMovie, okay? Then here, I wonder if you guys can see that. Let's bring y'all in some more. Okay, so I just go here, right? I have my music. I go here, right? And I split right there because I want to cut this off here because of course the intro is done. And so I'm gonna cut it here, or split it here rather. Well, I messed up. I split it too soon. So yeah, it's kind of got like a marker. It helps you, you know, kind of know where to split it at. It kind of, you see how it's kind of stopping at a place? So split it there. Alright, so hit split, and then, okay, so then it cut it off for me. Maybe I was at the right spot. Okay, and so then here, because I don't want it to just end at, like, just being cut off, like the music being cut off like that. Don't want it to happen like that. I want it to fade, okay? So just, I just drag it to 2 seconds. Exactly 2 seconds on the dot, right? Okay, so this is how it starts. Right? And then it's going to start here going into the actual vlog, okay? So that's very important. Like, I know, you know, we're beginners here, okay? But at the same time, like, whatever small edit details that you know like really matter, just try and do those kinds of things, you know? It's that kind of stuff that really matters. You know, it's the extra touches, the extra details that bring a lot to your channel and a lot to your vlogs, your videos. And so just like allowing it to have like a fade, it's easy on the ears, you know? And so yeah, you should do that instead of just letting it just like end or whatever. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that. I hope y'all understood what I was talking about. Maybe like on a live, we can do like a little something showing you guys how to do these kinds of things. But yeah, I'm about to finish this vlog, and hopefully y'all have this tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock. And if you're seeing this, then that means that you see it at 8 o'clock today. I think that's what I mean. I don't know. Either way, we love y'all so much. Thank y'all so much for supporting and for being here for your girls. And yeah, we'll see y'all tomorrow.